Hey everyone, we're trying a DIY today for Christmas.
It's only a couple days away.
Yeah, this is a fun project that we have done already. We want to show you how we did it.
Well, you know, Pinterest pass or fail. We had to make sure we passed before we put it online.
Yeah. I'm Michelle Classic with Remax Realty Advantage.
And I'm Kim Malden with Remax Realty Advantage, and together we are Buy, Sell, Love San Antonio. We went to the dollar store, or actually the 99-cent store, and found several of these plastic bowls and some string lights and a couple decorations. And we've already gotten a little started. Here, I found this for the top. And we're just gonna pull that off. We don't need this little springy part. You can find something else. We used our hot glue gun and we melted holes in the bottom of the bowls. Now, you may have one hella hot gun and even big holes. That would be really helpful.
Yeah, big holes are better. It took a while to do those holes with
Yeah.
our little gun. My old gun that's been around for a while.
And then we also have box tape. So we're gonna do a combination of box tape and glue to get it all together.